Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure Nmap is installed and you have authorization to scan the target network. This prevents legal trouble and false positives. Once done, run a quick discovery. Sudo nmap sn 192, 168, 1, 0/24 to list live hosts. Make sure to skip aggressive options now. This first step maps scope and noise. You want a reliable host list before deeper probing, because accuracy here reduces wasted time and helps you prioritize vulnerable systems for follow-up scans. Next, you move into ports and services to reveal attack surface and versions. Start with sudo nmap ssp 192, 168, 1, 10 to enumerate open ports quickly, then follow with sudo nmap sv version intensity 5 against discovered ports to identify service versions. This tells you what software might be vulnerable. Make sure to add O for OS fingerprinting when safe. Finally, run targeted NSE scripts like script vuln to check known weaknesses. This combination gives both breadth and depth for vulnerability assessment. To finish, export and review results. Use OA to save greepable and XML outputs for comparison and tracking. Once done, prioritize confirmed issues by severity and reproduce findings manually before remediation. If a scan fails or times out, make sure to slow timing, T2 or T3, increase max retries, or use PN for hosts that block pings. These tweaks reduce missed results. And if you still see inconsistencies, validate with a secondary tool or perform a focused manual probe to confirm real vulnerabilities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.